This episode of Photonics Hot List is brought to you by Edmund Optics, where custom manufacturing is supported by a comprehensive range of measurement capabilities, including in-house laser damage threshold testing, custom-built industry-leading spectrophotometers, and aspheric stitching interferometry with less than 20 nanometers of uncertainty. Learn more at edmundoptics.com/manufacturing.
Hello, I'm Justine Murphy with Laser Focus World. Let's take a look at some of the amazing things happening in photonics. The semiconductor industry is booming. This is amazing, but such significant and quite swift growth can be difficult for chip manufacturers as they work to keep up with demand. This unfortunately has prompted a surge in counterfeit semiconductor chips, which can ultimately jeopardize their use in aviation, AI, communications, and a host of other applications. Researchers at Purdue University are working to combat the issue with a new approach to anti-counterfeiting. As detailed in the journal Advanced Photonics, the team is designing an optical detection method specifically for semiconductor devices that works in conjunction with an AI technique called residual attention-based processing of tampered optical responses, or RAPTOR. The system, currently in the proof of concept stage, works by embedding gold nanoparticles in semiconductor chip packaging. A dark field microscope then records nanoparticle scattering patterns, which are later analyzed via deep learning to determine their authenticity. The new method has already achieved an average authentication accuracy of 97.6%, the researchers say, which far surpasses what's possible with existing approaches. The team is continuing to advance their design with the goal of ultimately making it an industry-wide anti-counterfeiting tool. 3D imaging offers invaluable information about tissues, organs, and other structural information at the cellular level deep within the body. Conventional techniques, like light sheet fluorescence microscopy, can get in there, but the process isn't easy. Researchers in Japan are working to change that. A team from Juntendo University has developed a new 3D imaging approach, desktop-equipped selective plane illumination microscopy, or descSPIM, based on conventional light sheet fluorescence microscopy. The method allows comprehensive imaging of whole tissues, embryos, and small animals with 3D subcellular and cellular resolution, and meets the necessary requirements for accurate 3D imaging, including preparation of cleared tissue samples. In their work, detailed in Nature Communications, the team was able to optimize the new microscope's design for rapid imaging and related processes. The researchers say the new microscope is significantly less expensive and easier to operate than conventional systems, making it much more accessible for a wider array of bio-related applications. From drying nail polish after a manicure to disinfecting hospital rooms and water sources, UV light ranges cover it all. And precise calibration of the light sources and detectors used is crucial to ensure such applications are effective and successful. With this in mind, researchers have revamped a long-standing resource. A team at the National Institute of Standards and Technology has rebuilt the agency's specialized calibration laboratory, which has been in operation since the late 1980s. The upgraded resource, called the Ultraviolet Spectral Comparator Facility, now provides more accurate and precise measurement and calibration of UV detection equipment that's used by military and research institutions, universities, and industrial manufacturers. The new facility system involves a handheld UV detector to check the amount and intensity of a UV light source and calibrates it accordingly to ensure it is operating correctly and efficiently. While the setup covers all UV ranges, UVA, UVB, and UVC, it specializes in UVC light, which encompasses the 200 to 300 nanometer range, making it ideal for calibrating UV devices used in healthcare settings. And that's your Photonics Hot List. Be sure to like and share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on social media, and visit laserfocusworld.com for the latest and coolest news and information. And check out our Following the Photons podcast, too, to hear some really interesting interviews with the industry's top players. Until next time.